Congrats, Peng and Mariela! Congrats, Peng and Mariela!
Hi, Peng and Mariela. Sana maging masaya ang inyong pagsasama.
Peng, Mariela, enjoy yung pagiging mag-asawa. Sana all. Welcome to married life. No more... Congrats, Peng and Mariela! Ay, hello. Congrats, Peng and Mariela! Wait, enjoy yung pagiging mag-asawa. Sana all.
Sana maging masaya ang inyong pagsasama.
Welcome to married life. No more LDR. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi.
Happy heart!
Happy wedding! Daddy, mga anak mo nagna-911. Ate, binaka-record dyan. Sa ano mo dito? Ate, naka-play na. Ay. Happy wedding! Congrats, Peng and Mariela! Wait, enjoy yung pagiging mag-asawa. Sana all.
Sana maging masaya ang inyong pagsasama.
Welcome to married life. No more LDR. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi. Happy wedding!
Alright, let's see the video greetings for our newlywed.
Congratulations, Peng and Mariela.
Welcome to the married life.
God bless you guys.
Hello to Peng and Mariela. I just want to wish you congratulations, best wishes. God will always bless your very good marriage life. I pray to God that you will have a wonderful children and a fruitful family. And always pray to God and always seek God together. And whatever you do, always thank Him and always pray to Him. So may God bless you, and to Mariela.
Nag-chat yung kuya ni Dr.
Welcome to the family.
Ate, wala na akong live ulit.
I hope ready ka na magtrabaho. Isang bahay. Hindi pwedeng
Sabi nga salamat ako, parang nandyan na ako.
Dahil masipag ka.
Kuya ni Sir Chris. Ayaw sa'yo sila.
Hardworking man.
Longkat mo kasi kay ma'am.
Again, congratulations. Best
Hindi,
wishes.
kayo po, inad ko po.
Congrats, Peng and Mariela!
Enjoy yung pagiging mag-asawa. Sana all.
Sana maging masaya ang inyong pagsasama.
Welcome to married life. No more LDR. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi.
Happy wedding! Josh, kita pala na dito Mariela. Ay, Tita Happy heart, Tita Mariela, Tita Peng, Tita Mariela. I love you.
Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Congratulations to Peng and Mariela. Matagal nyo ng pinagandaan to. Ngayon natupad na. Wish ko lang sa tumagal ang inyong pagsasama at maging masaya pa ang inyong pagsasama. Welcome to our family, Mariela.
Ayan, thank you very much for that wonderful video greetings. Surprise po talaga yun para sa ating newlywed. Nagustuhan niyo po ba, Mr. and Mrs. Mendoza? Nagustuhan naman. Thank you so much. And now,